Hi there, another video on the Trans Am to show the engine. I'll just basically do a bit of a video around. It's very sunny here, so it's hard to see the phone screen, but yeah. So the leads and rocker covers and everything appear to be not that old, and brake, clutch cylinder. I've checked over this, checked the fluid, and it's all good, topped up in good condition. The windscreen, this windscreen wiper motor here wasn't working when I got it, so I took this off and rebuilt the mechanism and repainted it, and now it's working fine. So that was the only mechanical problem that I encountered so far. I have oil change. I've done an oil change and filter change just a couple of weeks ago, and I've used the oil recommended by Pontiac for it. As you can see, the box is very good condition. Painted in blue, and all the accessories etc. newish, quite good looking. No major, well, I've not seen any oil leaks from it since I've owned it. And then in terms of inner wings, you can see it's all in very good solid condition. You see some parts of it maybe where it's not being perfectly sealed, some rust on the surface here, so something to be dealt with at some point. Okay, so similar on this side in terms of the inner wing condition. Everything, all the front components are quite solid. We'll do another video underneath. And I will start it up. It isn't totally cold. You'll see, it's pretty cold. The exhaust is almost cooled down, to ambient temperature. But I did have it running earlier just to move it to take the video. So I'll do another video of a cold start at some point, but after it's been switched on once in the day, so if it's not totally cold, just find the key. It will start just straight off the key. So let's show you in park.